What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, of course. So yeah, as of right now, let's go over today what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So 1 second here, I'm gonna tell the team members we're on live, and then I'm gonna pull up the other live stream. So yeah, 1 second here. Looking forward to another great day. So let's see. That's gonna pull that up here. All right, so just pull that up. Perfect. Okay, got that up. Now I'm gonna tell the team that we're on live as well. 1 second here. 1 second. TikTok live now at everyone. Yo, good morning. Good to see you. Really appreciate it. Yo, thanks, Jay, for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, of course, we're gonna start on the cues. This was the one we already ended up snagging yesterday. Obviously, we ended up breaking, and we literally just touched my first TP, like I think what 5-10 minutes ago or so. So yeah, that TP ended up hitting, right? Obviously, no, I'm not in this position anymore. I did end up cutting this. We did end up hitting my imbalance, and you can see we ended up catching this one just yesterday. Very beautiful move. Obviously, if I would have held my position, that TP would have hit for sure. But all good, no worries. We're going to go over what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. You can see a few members ended up catching that as well. But yeah, so this was my original box to this downside. We end up getting this break. Obviously, we got in very early on this one, which allowed us to go into this empty space down here. Now, yeah, we did touch that imbalance. If we do want to drop even more, I mean, I don't see any resistance until this 590 right here. Will I chase into this? Probably not, just because we're at that imbalance area. What I can see here now, so let's just move this over here. I'm gonna erase this and also this as well. I mean, yeah, if let's just say, yo, Karma, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Yo, Lim, thanks for the follow. Marty, Vic, what's up? Good morning, good to see you guys and gals, really appreciate it. All tuning into the live stream. So yeah, looking for another great day. So yeah, as of right now, same exact thing. I get it. We had the empty space. We finished this move pretty much. Honestly, I have a strong feeling we may hit that 590 today. But that's not something I'll chase it to unless we create another box on a lower time frame. We do have this now, so we got another box here. So don't let any of this confuse you. We do have empty space that is above us. We get this nice little POTTERBOX break above that 596. Personally, I'm looking for this next resistance up to this 599. I get it, yes. A little bit of resistance here as well. There as well, but yeah, empty space. What's up? What's happening right now? I'm a beginner, don't know what I'm looking at. Yo, Mac, what's up, bro? So to break this down, after I go over this, I'll break pretty much everything down, what I'm looking for, the easiest, simplest form of trading that I personally do, and that's it. So right now, I get it. We could end up targeting finishing that move. If I do try that, it'll be a lotto. But yeah, I do like that upside though, if we can get it. So basically, you know, what I do here, or you know, what we do inside the Discord, we use POTTERBOX, same exact thing each day. Obviously didn't get the chance to post the charts, but you can see what we did there. Shout out to Fabi, shout out to a couple other of the members. But I'm gonna pull up a very easy chart. So what I circled here, this clear gap up, this is what, so you can see 1, 2, 3 green candles. It could be 4, it could be 1 big green candle. This has no consolidation. This is what I'm targeting to the downside. And all that I need is a box. So an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for me to target to the downside. And all that I'm looking for is a break under my wall. And a lower time frame entry. We get that nice break. We got that empty space that I'm targeting. So that's literally every single play. So that was, what, 2 days ago. Obviously, we caught the cues yesterday as well. Gave a beautiful entry both days. So you can see like IBM. You can see this clear gap down, no consolidation. We have a box. We break above our box, our top wall. I'm looking for that empty space to be filled to the upside. So yeah, it works both ways. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, Shirley, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good to see you. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. The U.S. jobs, the dump makes sense now. Honestly, I mean, if we do want to dump, there are some plays that I am looking forward to that I will be looking at. QQ, I think we might finish that move. Yo, Queese, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. All right, so that is on the Qs. Let's go to SPY 2 as well. We'll go to Tesla. We'll pull up all these other trades. Amazon, I think we might hit those CPs. We'll see how that plays out. All right, actually, SPY doesn't look too bad. Let me get my notebook really quickly. Yo, thanks so much for explaining. Yeah, no worries, man. And yeah, just make sure to do your own research. We do have a Discord. You can join my free Discord too as well. Obviously, yes, we have the VIP where we give the entries, exits, but if you're brand new, you can just join the free chat, see how you like it, talk to the members, things of that sort. So yes, link is in the bio for that. If you don't want to join, no worries, you don't have to. All right, so yo, Lit, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, I do like SPY. I will say SPY doesn't look too terrible. So SPY. And that's if we can keep dumping. I would like the Qs better, but since we touched my imbalance, I don't know if I really want to get into anything heavy for that one. Yo, Shrimp, what's up? Thanks for pulling up to the other live stream. So yeah, right here, what do I see? We got a nice little area of consolidation here. Yeah, that's a nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. So this is basically an area of consolidation. We use points of contact. So 2 wicks, body candle, another wick here. That's 3 to 4 points of contact. That's more than enough. Under us, we got something that I would like to take on a date. This this empty space below us. This is what I like to this downside. If we can, you know, get this continuation, of course. As you can see, yeah, looks good. We got empty space. Nice little gap here. We get this nice break under us. We have this empty space. So yeah, under this, what, 656 area. Obviously, could take this under the 657. But we'll have to see how things play out. It really just depends on the setup, on how, you know, things play out. I get it. So yeah, I do like SPY. So maybe I'll leave an alert there just in case. But yeah, same thing like the Qs. I get it. We mainly take trades, so we actually took this one really early. And yeah, I usually take trades once we break outside of our walls. I still would have been up pretty nicely in profit, but we actually had a very early entry. I told the team, yeah, I was taking some puts underneath this cost basis area. We got in very early, and yeah, we wrote that thing down. It was calls, but yeah, it was great. You can see what we did there. And yeah, each trade is going to be the same. We don't change anything. Shout out to Fabby, that was an Apple. See, QQQ, this was yesterday. I'll be honest, I love my Qs. Great for another normal day of gains. See, that was on Apple too. But yeah, even not just yesterday, the day before that, you can see why I don't care about losing one trade. Because there's always going to be more. Yo, Mac, thanks for the follow, bro. Really appreciate it. All right, so I do want to go over Amazon. So this was one of those ones. I feel like every time I play Amazon, it does love to play around, and then it'll hit those targets. So what I can see here is still we have this empty space, right? Clear gap up, no consolidation. We ended up getting a break under this wall, and we ended up gapping down. So we are inside the empty space now. So I do want to see if we can stay under this 219 to finish that move. Do you do signals on Discord? So all of my alerts will be on Discord. So all my day trades, swing trades, I'm here if my trade wins, I'm here if my trade loses. But yeah, I call it everything. Obviously, yes, I have some good mods in there too as well that will help with the plays, help find those stocks, those scanners. You can see how I call out plays. Boom, the before, you can see the after. You see how we call out plays there. And I'll basically spam the Discord saying what I'm wanting to do. So this was yesterday, QQ puts part 2. And then I told the team, QQ puts coming close. Told them I was taking some speculation puts and then a valid entry under that 595. We end up getting in. So you can basically see where we were. We were at that 597. Took some early puts, which allowed us to eat. So that was pretty much that standpoint there. So we got in really early for that one. And yeah, I spam the chats pretty much. You could see what a couple days ago what one member did there. And shout out to Lawnmower. Yeah, maybe he'll be the next mod. We'll have to see. So yeah, Lawnmower, he's basically an OG in our Discord too as well. You can see, yeah, we catch these trades all together. And yeah, if one play doesn't work, you don't hear me crying about it. I'm just gonna, you know, either stop out and find the re-entry or just wait. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going to some more stocks. I got a few that I'm already written down. For Amazon, as an example, is that a 4-hour confirmation to the downside? Okay, so Amazon, I will be honest. So this was a play that, obviously, you know, if you are still holding, and I was actually green on this position too as well, so kind of just held out, but we had that nice break under, right? And then we ended up gapping up. So I did see that if we stayed under this, top wall here, seller's control, I think we would have finished this move. Obviously, I can see that we did create another box. So there's another box here. And we just need to stay under this wall here, this 219.80, to finish this downside move. That's what I'm seeing. I remember the last couple times, Amazon does love to play around. I remember last time and the time before. I'm not saying this play will hit. I'm not saying that, oh, get in. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Not financial advice, of course. But the empty space is there. We'll just have to see if it'll want to hold. So we shall see. What's your Discord? So yeah, my Discord is in the bio. It's Put Brothers Trading server, but yeah, everything was in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP. Honestly, yeah, join the free chat if you'd like. But yeah, we post pretty much all the setups inside of the VIP. All right, so that was on Amazon. I do like that downside if we could finish it since that's there. But if we go back up, yeah, there's another little empty space move here. So got to be very careful on that. All right, so yo, Manny, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. QQ dumping. Let me see. Let me look at here. Let's see. So yeah, the Qs. Yeah, it looks like we may end up targeting down into that 590. That's what I'm seeing there. All right, cool. We'll keep on going here. Oh yeah, I do see a couple good ones today. Yo, shout out to Rug, man. I didn't even see that chart. All right, I'm gonna, hold on, give me 1 second here. 1 second. Yo, SG, what's up? Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so QQQ, we did that. I still like it. Still looks good. Obviously, we caught this yesterday. Ended up getting stopped out with, profits. Do want to see that 590. All right, so do want to go over Tesla? So Tesla, I will say, let's see here. So there was empty space here, right? So there was empty space back in December, I believe. That did get filled up. So we had that clear gap down, no consolidation. All that I'm seeing is this. So we did end up getting this break, right? So we did actually touch my first TP. So that is that imbalance. So this is why price ended up dropping there. So this is kind of irrelevant now since that kind of hit. So let's get off of this. Let's go to a lower time frame, maybe 2 hour, 1 hour. Maybe a 1 hour. Yeah, maybe a 1 hour. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Tesla. All right, so on this 1 hour chart, what I can see here. Yo, Shirley, what's up? I got you. Yeah, I got you with BE. No worries. All right, cool. So, yo, Thriving, what's up? What's up? Wishing you have a blessed day too as well. So yeah, I didn't even see those comments. All right, cool. So, yo, Marvin, yeah, you might be onto something, man. You might be onto something. I will say. So yeah, we got a little box here that I can easily see. Doesn't look bad. Top wall, bottom wall there. So what? Under that 435, we got a little move down. So I would take that to that 430. But okay, yeah, I do see that 430, but I do want to see that 429, 32. If we can get that, you know, decent of a move there. Right now, looks like we're trying to break under that wall there. Let me look on a lower time frame too as well. Okay. All right, so hopefully, yeah, this doesn't happen pre-market, but looks like it might. Yeah, I do have that empty space to the downside. What's the link to the Discord? So I don't actually have the link pinned right now, so I can't post it. So, but yeah, everything's in my bio. It's that WAP link inside of my bio. And yeah, if you have trouble getting to that link, yeah, just give me a DM and I can send you after my live stream. No worries. All right, so that is there. That looks really good. That is on Tesla. Let's see if my mouse can work. Hold on. Please work. It's literally on, but it's not trying to work. Hold on, give me 1 second here. I gotta unplug it and plug it back in. All right, that should work. Come on. 1 second. There we go. All right, so yeah, that's on Tesla there. So I think we wanted to see BE as well. IWM. You guys wanted to see APLD. Yo, OG, good morning. Good to see you. Really appreciate you tuning back in. So yeah, looks like Tesla's losing it for sure. Honestly, you know, doesn't look too bad though. I wish it was, you know, an hour later. I would, yeah, definitely snag that. All right, so IBM, IWM. Oh, hold on. IBM too as well. Okay, yeah, we'll pull these up. So, as of right now, for IBM, and it looks really good actually. So that final TP does look like it is trying to approach. He said, yeah, I wish the market was open. So yeah, this was a trade that we already ended up catching. And if you've seen my last video on the tube, I actually gave this one for free in the end of my video. This was before, and you can see this was the before here. We end up having that nice break above. So that first TP did end up hitting. So that was what, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. As you can see, if we can continue, you know, I do want that 280 going. We actually did this on the 4 hour too as well. So yes, 281 is my final TP. Looks like it's having that little nice little gap move as well. So yeah, looks really good. Honestly, yeah, pretty decent. So 281 will be that final TP. You can see where we pretty much had it caught. End up swinging that first TP did end up hitting. Do want to see that final if we can. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any positions. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so that's there. Let's look at. Oh, dude, I gotta get a charger. I'm at like 5%. So yeah, give me 1 second, guys and gals. I gotta get a charger. Wow, IWM went crazy. Okay, yeah, we'll go over this too. We shall. All right, all right. So yeah, let's see. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second. Gonna plug this in since I'm honestly, I feel like my phone is always at like 5% each morning. That's like my only bad habit is not charging my phone. All right, so we'll keep going. It's charged now. So IWM, we got to go over BE as well. Make sure you get your gallon of water. I have some water right now. I haven't ran out yet, so no commercial break right now. All right, so IWM. Let's take a look here. Let's go actually to a higher time frame. Maybe a 4 hour. All right, so I will be honest. There is empty space above us here, but it doesn't look like we'll get that as of this second. The only thing that I can, easily see if we keep dropping is this. 9. Yeah, thriving. Yeah, you guys and gals know the routine already. So yeah, nice top wall, nice bottom wall there. Honestly, this is not, anything crazy. I get it. Will I take this one? Probably not, but that's what I'm seeing there. So that's on IWM. That is to that downside. I do like the upside since there's a little bit of a clearer move, but nothing there quite yet. And some pizza, dude. I'm supposed to order. I'm supposed to order someone in the Discord a pizza this week. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out too. All right, so that's on IWM. So let's look at BE. Let's see, 24 hour. Wow, BE had a nice little move there to that downside. I didn't even get into that. Let's look at a higher time frame and then we'll break it down. All right, so it looks like we're still trying to head to this downside here. Let's see. All right, so 24 hour. Let's go down to this 4 hour. Okay, so for something new, what I see that doesn't look bad. So nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. And yeah, what looks good to me is, yeah, we have empty space that is under us. You can easily see, yes, right under this 59-20 area. Looks really good. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which doesn't look bad. So that is on BE. So yeah, we got that clear, nice little gap up. That's what I would like to that downside there. All right, so IBM, okay, we did that. Hold on 1 second there. Let's fix the screen. All right, so we did Qs. Yeah, the Qs look like we're trying to flush into that final. For SPY, I can see that we still have a little bit more empty space below us. I personally like Qs a little bit better, but yeah, we got that empty space below us under that 656 area. If we can get that, looks good. I do want to see some sort of nice break and close under, which looks good. So some sort of lower time frame close, that would be great. All right, so that's there. Let's keep on going here. BRKB. All right, so nothing there yet. So yeah, let's keep on going. We'll pull up some more trades, some more charts, so no worries. Interesting language. Yo, Zach, what's up, bro? Wait, I just got in. Let me see. I got you, bro. No worries, man. So yeah, we got this little clear gap up. So this is on a 1 hour. If it'll show the chart, that'd be great. All right, so yeah, we got that 1 hour chart here. Looks like we're, trying for that TP as well, or that entry there. Do want to see that under that 656, which looks good. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Got that nice little box here. Wick, 2 boxes there as well. All right, so APLD, okay. Lee BE on the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, we can look at the 1 hour. 1 second here. So 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So there's another box here. So if we didn't want to wait for that 4 hour, there is that 1 hour box that I'm seeing. So nice little top wall there, nice little bottom wall. We get that break. Hold on. Under that 617. Yeah, it looks pretty good down to that 59.97. So nice little entry exit there. Doesn't look too bad. So looks really, really good. So that is on BE. That's what I'm seeing. Not too bad there. All right, so that's BE. Oh, everything's dumping here. Everything's trying to dump. Let's see where. So Amazon still needs that break for that continuation. APLD, let's take a look here. Yo, Richie, what's up, man? Joe, what's up? Chewy, I got you, bro. APLD target 21. Let's take a look actually. So 24 hour, let's get off of that. I do see something there though. Hold on. No custom intervals right now. Let's see this 4 hour. Hold on. Let's see. All right. So yeah, if I did take this one up, if I was in on this, and yeah, this was a beautiful move. Top wall, bottom wall here. We end up getting that break right. As you can see, yeah. Hold on, if that will load, that would be great. So yeah, as you can see, it looks good. Down to the 20.59 would be my final there. That's, you know, what I'm seeing, which doesn't look bad. Personally, since, yeah, I did end up missing this move, I won't get in. So same thing with the Qs. Obviously, I didn't miss it, really, since we smacked it yesterday. But yeah, since that move has already kind of happened, and we touched that TP, I'm definitely gonna just chill out, gonna relax, look for my other entry, and just wait. So that's on APLD. So that 20.59 would be that final there. And yeah, literally all of our, you know, plays are the same. We don't change anything. Obviously, I didn't get a chance to post the charts yesterday, but you can see what happened there. QQQ was the biggest one of the day. It was very beautiful trade. You can see what we ended up doing there. Shout out to Fabi. End up catching that apple there. Yeah, each trade is literally the same. So a couple members made what, 500 bucks there. Great for another normal day of gains, but blessings. So yeah, we wait for our entries, we wait for the trades. I will say the past 2 days has felt the exact same. I kid you not, you can even ask the members in my Discord. We had the same exact moves on the same chart. It was wild. So this was what, 2 days ago, before the after. We had literally the same move. Those targets ended up hitting, which led us to get this, right? Yesterday we had the same exact box. It felt the same. I was like, I don't know if, you know, the days are repeating or not, or if I'm just crazy, but yeah, we had that same entry as well. CEO, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So yeah, we'll keep on going. INTC, okay, cool. Stephanie, I think you wanted what, AI as well, if I'm not mistaken. So we did APOD. Robin, what's up? UNH, yep, got you. We'll pull that up. NBIS, Joe, what's up, man? APOD is huge for me because I use your technique to make entry. Thank you for big confidence builder. Yo, boo, no worries. So yeah, hope it all works out for sure. Thanks for being here in the live stream. All right, so we'll take a look here. And also, you want to see Chewy. Okay, Chewy looks okay. Perfect, perfect. Not much, man. Potter away, just being a potato. All good, man. All good. Thanks for being in the live stream as well. So INTC, let's go over this. Can I send you some pizza with my gains? So I'm the one that's supposed to send some pizza to one of the members. I was supposed to do it last year, but no one sent me an address, so I gotta do it possibly this week, next week, whenever, maybe tomorrow on a Friday. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so INTC. Okay, I see two possible things here that looks really good. Okay, INTC, there's a small little move there. Let's see. So yeah, we got this. This, you know, looks good. This doesn't look too bad. All right, so 1 second here. So yeah, this looks good. I like this a lot. We got this clear gap up, no consolidation. I get it, we're not close to this entry yet, so, you know, I understand that. Got a nice little box there. Personally, I do want to see under this 2868 area to figure out if we can get this nice candle close under that wall into this empty space, which honestly looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want. So that is that 2697 area. So yeah, it looks really good, looks really decent there. So now, not bad at all. So that is on INTC. So AI, UNH. Okay. UNH as well, Chewy. So yeah, we'll go over UNH and Chewy as well. So Chewy, I'll be honest. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I don't see that that final TP hitting for a while. We already hit my first TP, right? So that first TP, we already smacked it. Went great, went well. So, as you can see, yeah, so this was a trade. This was what, 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, a week or two ago. So the imbalance is very, very strong on this. You can see this was before there, and also the after. We hit my TP. What? This was on the 18th. So this was what, 7 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we ended up smacking those TPs. You can see what we did there. That was one member. We could see also more members. That was on Chewy. Boom. I get it. Boom. We're still having, we're still struggling to get over that imbalance. So this is why I tell the members, once we hit that first TP, I'm pretty much not fully done, but I'm done with that position. I'm only going to leave runners and see if it'll hit. If it doesn't, then that's fine. So yeah, we're done. The only thing that I can see that I would like here is if we can get some clear break and close outside of this 3904 area. So, yeah, that imbalance was very, very strong. Yeah, really strong. So, the only thing that I'm seeing is if we can get outside that 3904. That's the only thing that would maybe spark my interest on this again, but other than that, yeah, we're pretty much done until some more empty space can get there. So you can see what type of percentage we got on there. All right, so that is on Chewy. So yeah, we shall see. He said 1-0 DTE can fix your problem. All right, so I gotta go over NVDA. I forgot to go over that. We gotta go over NBIS, UNH. We went over Tesla. We gotta go over a couple other ones too as well. All right, so UNH. Let's take a look here. And also Apple. Okay, cool. 1 second. All right, so if I did end up missing your request, just go ahead and drop them in the comments again. So no worries. All right, so let's see here. So AI, actually, let's go over UNH first. Honestly, UNH, I will be completely honest. I like the upside the best. There's a lot of empty space here that I would love to go into. And, it doesn't look too bad. 1 second here. Yo, Leah, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Hold on, I gotta get a new mouse this week, guys. I don't know, I think it's the cord that's messed up, but it's a cool looking mouse. It changes color and everything, but oh well. All right, so please no. All right, so that was for the stream, for the other stream. Okay, cool. All right, so there's empty space above us. That looks good. And I get it, before you say anything, I do see the empty space below us. That looks like that could happen before. Not saying it will, but definitely could. Do like that 4 hour. Yeah, nice top all there, nice bottom all here. And yeah, right under us, it looks good, looks decent. What I can see is, yeah, got a nice little potter box that needs to be broken. So we're flirting with this wall here. So don't want to see anything flirting. I want to see second, third base, maybe a home run being hit here. So we can get under this bottom wall, get a nice close. Do want to see that downside, which looks really good. So that is on UNH. As of right now, buyers are rejecting this empty space for being filled. So yeah, do want to see that upside. So either we go up to the upside above that 358, or we drop under this 347 to tap into this little thing there. So it doesn't look too bad there, not too terrible. So that is on UNH. Let's go over, we got it. So we went over Chewy, NVDA. Actually, yeah, this doesn't look terrible. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, I mean, we got that nice little. So I did this on the 2 hour. Let's see if this 1 hour lines up too. So yeah, 1 hour also looks pretty good. Yeah, really decent. So yeah, let's go back to the 2 hour. Looks good. 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, it looks really good. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm in a little bit more turbulence, but that'll be fine. Okay. So 1 second here. All right. So yeah, 1 second here. So yeah, it looks good. All right, so as of right now, let's go back to this 2 hour chart so we can break this thing down. Hold on 1 second there. Let's see. So let's go back. So we are inside of this consolidation area right now. So I do want to see if we can get this nice break under this 173. Nice little candle body closing up against it or so. You can see we close under this cost base area, which is a great sign. So yeah, I do want to see this empty space under that 173.52 into that downside. So right now, it's gonna wait and see. Obviously, it's, you know, for me, it's not a race. It's not like, boom, as soon as the open bell hits, I'm gonna get into a trade. Obviously, you know, if it play shows, of course, but it's not a race. Obviously, the past 2 days, when we caught the cues, we had to wait pretty much the whole entire day. So we had to wait the whole entire day for this. We had to wait the literally whole entire day to be able to catch this type of trade. Obviously, but the day before that too, we had to wait pretty much until the end of the day. So not really a race. Do want to see if we can get something valid though. All right, so that's that. All right, Amazon. Okay, perfect. So we did UNH. We got to go over IWM. Yo, Mike, what's up, bro? Okay, hello. Okay, perfect. Bought MSFT. Yo, Adrian, what's up? Yeah, I got you, bro. So we gotta go over Apple. We're gonna redo this too as well. So, and then also MSFT. All right, yes. Give me 1 second, guys and gals. I'll be right back. You know the routine. Gonna get you some water. So yes, I will be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, be a part of the team. You can see what we do here. Link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. You can see what we do here. And yeah, I'll be right back. So yes, if you don't want to join, you don't have to. If you do, link is in the bio. All right, yep, 1 second here. We'll go over all these trades too as well. So yeah, 1 second here, guys and gals. All right, yep, be right back. Yo, what's up, guys and gals? I'm back. So yeah, got some water. We're ready. Yo, Evan, thanks for the follower. Appreciate it. That music though. Yeah, I'll change it up here and there too as well. Yo, Mike, what's up, bro? I feel like there's like 1,000 mics inside of the live stream, so shout out to all the mics. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going though. So OKLO, Apple as well. We'll go over all these trades. Microsoft. Dude, good to see you, bro. So yeah, right now, I like it, you know. So I did have an original box here, but I do want to break this down because it does look like we created some more structure here. So got a nice box there, nice top wall, beautiful, beautiful bottom wall. This is something that I do like. Yo, TR, what's up? Did I miss IWM? I think you did, but yeah, we'll go over it again, no worries. So yeah, right now, yeah, we got this empty space that is under us. Personally, yeah, we're still inside this box, so we're inside of consolidation. Do want to see if we can break outside of this consolidation area to tap into this empty space. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I like. Looks really, really good. Hold on 1 second here. 1 second here. War against. Well, man, I mean, hey, man, we got to just, you know, stay prayed up. All good, man. He said, I invest in April. Reckon it'll dip or continue to sit. For which one? For NVIDIA? I think, I mean, there is that empty space below us, but we'll have to see, honestly. He said, okay, dude, I gotta, 1 second here. I gotta get this ad off of my screen now. So, I don't know why this pops up. Alright, so 1 second there. I gotta get rid of this. Alright, cool. Alright, perfect. He said we are cooked. That's crazy. Alright, 1 second here. Alright, cool. So, got that off my screen. This will... Alright, cool. So, Apple, we're still inside this box here. I like it. Let's make this camera not crooked. But yeah, if we can get this nice break under us, this 251 area, doesn't look too bad. Do want to see that downside movement, which honestly looks really good. Breaking, the U.S. has deployed its jets against have been detected in Alaska's. Oh wow. All right. 1 second here. Yeah, I'm just reading all news. I don't know if I can even like say it on here before, because yeah, TikTok already hates me. So honestly, I could, you know, see, I'm just reading all the chats here as well. So yeah, 1 second here. My bad, I'm just reading, pretty much reading everything. Alright, cool. So that is on Apple. Yeah, let's keep on going. OKLO. So yeah, looks like OKLO hit that final TP of mine there. What I can see next is this. Hold on, I'm just reading a whole bunch of news they're sending inside the chats. Stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow Jones futures flat as investors brace for most cool Fed official remarks, Costco earnings, and focus. Crazy, crazy. All right, so my bad, guys. So, okay, hello. What I can see is this. So, on that 1 hour, it looks like we already hit my final TP. What I can see is if I did this on a 4 hour, so the 4 hour also still looks good. Top all, bottom all there. We get this nice break under us. We could end up seeing that nice break to this downside. Obviously, we hit that first TP. So if it does want to continue, I could see down to that 96.72. So that will be my final there. That's what I'm seeing. All right, that's there. IWM. So yeah, we did IWM. Personally, I don't really see anything that I like. I will be honest. So there was that 1 hour under that 238. Obviously, you know, there's this other play here. So let's see. Top, bottom, all there. So I can see if we can get under that 235. We could see this downside movement. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm seeing. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So that is there. So nice, beautiful top wall. Needs to be broken there. Top, bottom wall there. Wow, Nvidia is going crazy here. And Amazon, let's see. Let's see. Hold on, give me a second here. So Amazon, we're still waiting for that break, or at least I'm still waiting for that 219. So basically that 219 break here to see if we can go to this downside. So we created another box here. We do need to flush under this 219, and I think we'll finish that downside movement. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Right now, we're still stuck inside this box, that 219.76, so got to see that break. All right, so that's there. Wow, looks like a whole bunch of news is popping up right now. All right, so hold on, let's see. Let me look really quickly. Let me look at a few. So Tesla. All right, so Tesla may be out of the picture now. So I wanted Tesla. Oh yeah, I was gonna smack Tesla too. I promise you, this is what I wanted. I wanted this entry so bad at market open. I swear I did. I wanted this one bad, but yeah, you can see. Dang, this would have been a perfect entry too. We broke and closed under. Dang, we went and tapped perfectly into my TP. Dang, that's crazy. Lee, Amazon. So yeah, Amazon, bro. I like it. So yeah, there is still that empty space on that 4 hour. So that 4 hour is on this this right side, on this left side here, my bad. But yeah, there's that empty space here that I see. So that's what I'm basically targeting. But we still got to break under that 219.76, or we won't see any of that. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Looks good though. We'll just have to see. All right, Nvidia, this is what I'm looking at here. Dang, I really wanted those Teslas. Okay. All right, so Nvidia still, yeah, we got to get on that 173. Looks good though. So yeah, Marvin, I like it. It's just been toying around, so hopefully we can get it, man. Get that downside. So that's on Nvidia, still inside that box. Doesn't look too bad. So there, you said NBIS too. All right, cool. And yes, remember guys, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before doing anything. So please do your own research. White House says to prep for mass if government shuts down. Dang. Yeah, this is crazy. I mean, I will say, if they want to drop the market today, I'll be ready. I could care less. Yeah, Darth Trader, my bad. Yeah, there's still a lot of empty space, so we'll have to see. Where did you catch the news? I'm looking at the VIP chat. They're all just spamming the chat with news and stuff. So Glock posted a few of those too as well. All right. So, anyways, let's see here. Yo, Lucky Life, thanks for pulling up to live stream. All right, so NBIS, we got a little gap down here, which looks good. End up getting this nice. So yeah, it looks like we are at buyer's control. So this is where buyers have control here. Do want to see a nice break under buyer's control inside of this, into this empty space. So yes, looks good. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, we got what? This clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the downside here. We would just need that nice break under that 106 to get that continuation. But yeah, it looks like exactly like all our plays, and I could care less. I mean, if they want to drop the market, obviously I'm not going to just jump straight into an entry. I do want to see some confirmation. But yeah, I'll have empty space to the downside, upside. And that's pretty much it. So you can see, yes, see what we did 2 days ago, what ended up happening there. We caught some good trades there. Even yesterday we caught, boom, Q's again. So I would still love to see if we can smack this as well. So hold on, give me a second here. So I do want to look at Tesla again. So I will say, hold on. So in that 1 hour, it still looked pretty good. There's still a lot of empty space that is still below us. I think we could finish that move. There is beautiful move on this 24 hours. So I mean, yeah, so yeah, this is the empty space that all of us, or at least I'm waiting for. And it looks good. It looks decent. It actually looks really good. So I will be taking that to the downside there. I was repeating over and over to load up on puts, and I was live on Tuesday and he blocked me. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, shout out Potter too as well. So yeah, that's on Tesla. There's a lot of empty space there. There's a nice little 4 hour move there. So also, let's just say if we do end up getting this nice break under, so nice top wall, nice bottom wall there. We got empty space that is completely under us. I get it. There's a nice little play there, but I do like that 24 hours. 24 hour time frame looks a lot better for me. We shall see how that plays out. So yeah, we got this nice little gap too as well. But yeah, I do like the 24 hour a little bit better. We're just not quite there yet as well. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't there, so I can't really speak on something that not a part of. But yeah, blessings to all. That's my response. Hey bro, any tips on starting trading? I mean, if you're brand new, and yes, just make sure to do your own research, of course. But if I was new, I would just paper trade, learn how to use the brokers, learn how to, figure out what strategy I want to use, stick to one. And then yes, after I learn how to use the brokers, then I would start off with a little bit of money just to see how my mind works with real cash into actual real trades. Because I mean, being in paper trades, it's cool, but it's not really helping because it's like, it's not real money. So you don't know how your mind is going to work with that. So Amazon still floating up there as well. IWM. So we did that already. Do you want under that 235? Yeah, Rosie, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, real money and paper trading, it's fine. Paper trading, I feel like a lot of people do really well on because it's not real money, and then yeah, they will just hold to their targets. But that's why, if you are planning to join the Discord or whatever, we do a lot of swings, a lot of our trades. It won't be, get in and then get out the next minute. Some trades may take a couple days, but I try to hold to my target. So try my best to hold to my targets. Obviously, I'll trim along the way, but I would say, yeah, if someone's having trouble holding their targets, then just start off with just a few and yeah, see if those targets can hit. Yeah, so those emotions, emotions, it's like, dang, I'm up, yada yada, I'm up, yada yada, bands up right now, I could take. I'm like, dang, my target didn't hit yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just how I think about it. I get it. You see green, oh yeah, I'm up a couple $1,000, I'm up, a couple hundred, let's go ahead and take. Bro, we haven't even hit 20% of our TP yet, so we got to hit those targets. But yeah, once my first target gets hit, or once we do pretty well, yeah, I'll definitely will trim up. So QQ yesterday, I get it, my first TP didn't hit. I was up very, very nicely on it, and I was expecting a reversal, and we ended up having a reversal. So that was pretty much it there. All right, so NBIS, we did Amazon, still waiting on that. Still got to see how that's going to play out. There's actually a couple good ones today. So obviously if we end up, doing like a fake dump, it will be fine. There is still empty space to the upside, but that's what I'm seeing. So NBIS, and yes, not telling anyone to get into any trades, any positions. So yes, just please do your own research, of course, before doing anything. But yeah, this is what I said here. 1 second here. All right, so all right, 1 second, 1 second. All right, so let's see. All right, so NBIS, my bad. I was looking at all the other trades, but yeah, clear gap up, no consolidation. Looking for that nice break under this bottom wall here. If we can, looks really decent. So we want to stay under that 106. Disney, actually, yeah, we should look at Disney. That's the wrong one. So yeah, if Disney drops, I'll be waiting for that. I already have my alerts pretty much set. So this is on a weekly chart too. So yeah, we do got that empty space below us. I would definitely love to participate in it once we can get an entry. But right now, yeah, we've just been kind of going back and forth with this. So not really interested right now unless we can get this nice little break below. I'm just happy Comcast is taking. I remember how much of a hard time they've given me. Yeah, yeah, hope it works out for you, man. Yeah, no worries. So Qs, personally, it looks like we could end up tapping into that 590. That would be my final though, but I don't really see anything new until we get under that 583 or that 586. But yeah, that will be that final target there. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do today inside of the Discord. So yes, if you want to join up, you can join the free chat. Honestly, just join the free chat if you'd like. We have the VIP chat as well. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I got a lot of typing to do today. And so yeah, see you all either inside the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessing, guys, in Jesus' name, amen.